We had a pretty chilly day today with temperatures lower than what we normally see this time of the year. This chilly weather is forecasted to continue throughout the week as a cold pressure line is moving down from the northwest. Especially on Wednesday, temperatures in Seoul will drop to 3 degrees Celsius and around 0 degrees in parts of some inland mountain regions, so please make sure to wear plenty of layers. Preliminary wind advisories have been issued in some parts of the nation. Gangwon-do Province will experience strong winds starting from tonight. The west coast and inland regions will see strong winds starting from tomorrow afternoon. Tomorrow will be about 1 to 3 degrees lower than today. Seoul will be waking up at 6 degrees, Gwangju 7, and Busan at 9 degrees. Daytime highs will be also chillier than today, staying in the lower teens. Seoul will reach up to 11 degrees and Busan 18. During the daytime tomorrow, Tokyo will have something of a cloudy afternoon, while Beijing will have sunny spells. I'll leave you with the weather conditions around the world.